guys, welcome back to TargetStudy YouTube channel. After watching this video, there is one thing that you will always be sure of, that whenever we come together on screen, there is definitely something new brewing or there is a good news.
Yes, my dear friends, we are here again with a wonderful news. We are delighted to inform you all that we, the TargetStudy YouTube channel, has been awarded YouTube's official Silver Play Button award for crossing 1 lakh subscribers mark on the channel, where we upload videos regarding knowledge, education and career.
We are celebrating this because it is quite difficult to attract subscribers on a channel, whether you're uploading videos on entertainment, education or any other topic.
So for this achievement, firstly, we would like to convey our gratitude and congratulations to the TargetStudy team members. And finally, our heartfelt thanks to our greatest subscribers for believing and motivating us.
Thank you so much, guys. TargetStudy YouTube channel is grateful to have such lovely subscribers. You guys just keep having faith in us. We will continue to keep our promise of providing you with useful videos on education, knowledge and career.
So stay tuned. We will be back with some more useful videos. Till then, stay safe and secure. Happy watching!